Andhra Pradesh 10th class physical science. Important questions. This is fourth. Find the power of a convex lens having a focal length of 50 centimeters. Yes, focal length is given. Focal length is, that is P is equals to, focal length is equals to 50 centimeters. 50 centimeters. So we have P is equals to formula 1 by F. F is in meters, that equals to 1 by F value is 50 centimeters. But we want in meters, that's why 50 centimeters convert into meters, that's become 50 by 100 centimeters. So 0 cancel, 5 ones are 5 2s are 10, 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means 0.5. So equals to 1 by 0.5 meters. 0.5 meters. Yes, ఇక్కడ 1 by 0.5 means 1 by 0.5 into 10 by 10. ఎందుకంటే పాయింట్ కింద ఎగిరిపోవాలంటే 10 ones are 10 by 10 5s are 50. So point is here. So 10 by 5 వస్తుంది. 5 ones are 5 2s are 10. 2 diodes. This is answer for focal length. Find the power of a convex lens means the power of a convex lens is 2 diodes. So this is answer for the question. So please subscribe my channel for more important public examinations questions. Ashok Kumar Viswam Coaching Institute. Thank you very much.